Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss regarding Microsoft Excel. It is the one of the most professional and advanced spreadsheet software used by a large number of people across the world. I think you all know about it. It allows you to store, organize, calculate and manipulate data. It provides different data analysis tool that we learn later that helps you to analyze large amount of data easily and quickly. We all know why we are using computer. Yes, for getting to achieve speed and accuracy. Yes, so that is the reason that to achieve speed and accuracy we need some software in a computer. So one of this Excel. So first we have to learn the basic of Excel. As we familiar with formula and function, then we will move towards how to analyze data analysis. I'm talking about different data analysis and analyzes a large amount of data. Means if you have thousands of records, आप सबने देखा होगा मॉल में विजिट करते हो, हॉस्पिटल में विजिट करते हो, huge number of data are there, still they can manage easily. Why? Even Excel is also possible like that way. In Excel also you can prepare a spreadsheet which record all the data, and you can easily search any of the record from thousands of records, thousands or many more. So I have given one of the example, so you can think according to that. So we are going to discuss about Excel. Let's have a look about it. This is the symbol, green color symbol of Excel. So first we know what it contains: spreadsheet, which features and commands are available. Then we enter the data in spreadsheet. Then we can do mathematical task. Then we will insert the chart, and then we can print or send spreadsheet. So how it can be possible? Let's have a look about it. So first you need to find it out from your computer, Excel, that you know very well. Okay, over here steps are there, you can see. Now this is screenshot of Excel. So cell address, cell means what? The box which we are seeing on the screen, you can able to see highlighted with cell, that is cell. So every cell will be considered like that. Say for example आप समझ लो ये एक building है. Okay, so every building, every block, every flat has one unique identity, cell address. Like that way over here cell address, can you able to see cell address written highlighted A1. So that is the first address of the cell. So you must have to remember cell and cell address both are different. जैसे कोई फ्लैट होता है तो उसका एक यूनिक नंबर होता है, विंग ब्लॉक उसमें वो बिलोंग करता है, वैसे ही यहाँ पे एक्सेल में होता है. So you must remember like this way, you can easily identify. And this is cell arranged in column and row wise. So vertical will be column, horizontal will be row. So I have highlighted over here, you can able to see column E, third row. See row, you can able to see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10 and many more. Like that way column name are also fixed, A, B, C, D, E, F, like that way. So many columns are there. And you can able to create different worksheet in same book. Excel means this Excel file, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and many more. So this thing you must have to keep into your mind. I have written the marks of the your test 1 and test 2. Say for example, so in cell You just have to type. While click on that cell and use the keyboard and type it out. So you enter the data. If you want to enter the data, click on that cell. If you double click on the cell which you have already written, then it will allow you to edit that data. मीन्स डबल क्लिक करोगे आप तो आप डेटा एडिट कर सकते हो, अपडेट कर सकते हो, चेंज कर सकते हो, रिप्लेस कर सकते हो. अगर आप वही सेल जिसमें लिखा है उस पे आप डबल क्लिक नहीं करते हो और डायरेक्ट लिखते हो तो ओवरराइट हो जाएगा. तो ये आपको प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करना है. व्हाट विल बी द डिफरेंस? सो व्हाट वी हैव टू एंटर द डेटा? थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा: टेक्स्ट, नंबर, फॉर्मूला एंड फंक्शन. Okay, so this thing you must keep in mind. We have to use formula and function. As in maths you are using formula, like that way you can able to use over here, but we must have to prepare formula and functions. So all the mathematical equation can be possible over here. So you just think many of the company organization they are using Excel. Why? Because in Excel everything is possible. आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हो मिनी सॉफ्टवेयर इसमें बना सकते हो आप. If you have your own logical thinking, if you create your own formulas, yes, it is possible. Later on we will see the example. So click on the cell, enter the data, both number and text, like this way. Then select it, cut, paste, copy, paste. You must have to learn that. You know very well how to do copy and paste. So like that way you should prepare one file. So for copy and paste, from home tab you will get the option cut, copy, paste. So that you can use. Also you can use Ctrl X for cut, copy, Ctrl C, paste, Ctrl V. So like this way you have to prepare one file which is contain sales report. How many of thing product you have purchased or sell, like that way. Over here I have prepared just for the example. Now whatever I have written, I have selecting that cells. मैंने क्या किया, रिकॉर्ड सब लिख दिया, फिर उसको मैंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया. You can insert the column wherever you want, or a row or a column you can easily able to insert. Either from home tab insert button you will get, or right click of the mouse you will get the option. So you must have to try this thing. Delete, to delete the cells, or a row or a column, both possible. From home ribbon you will get the option, or right click of the mouse you will get the option. You can expand the width of the column or row easily. So whatever the records you have entered, you want to rearrange. Is it possible directly? Yes, in Excel, from home tab, that is home ribbon, from that you will get the option sort and filter. Then you can arrange it A to Z or custom size format, sorting arrangement you wants to do. A to Z ascending order, Z to A descending order, like that way you have to try. For number, it will be given if you enter the numbers. So to edit the spreadsheet means you want to write any of the thing, you can easily write. You will get the option right click and insert delete options. If you click on sheet 1, it is written over there. You can, अगर आपने शीट 1 बना दी, आप शीट 2 बना रहे हो मगर उसका नाम आपको चेंज करना है, परचेस लिखना है, तो रीनेम ऑप्शन आता है. वो शीट जहां पे लिखा होता है शीट 1, शीट 2 एट द बॉटम ऑफ साइड, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एट द बॉटम ऑफ साइड. Right click on that, you will get the option rename and you can change the name whatever you want to give. It's not compulsory. You can also delete a worksheet which you don't want. And at the last, always remember you must have to save your work. So save it. Then whatever you have written, whatever the arrangement I told to you, just that much you should write, and select row and column where you have entered the data with their column name and row name. See over there I have not select cells heading, क्योंकि हमें अब चार्ट बनाना सीखना है, तो उतना ही डेटा सिलेक्ट करना है, कॉलम का नाम, रो का नेम. Are you getting me? Then click on insert ribbon, insert tab. From that you will get the option chart. Insert chart. As you click on the chart, you will get on the screen a chart as you are representing over here. See, display how much you have scored in computer. Not that one. It's regarding sales report. How much computer, cell, monitor, printer, like that way you can prepare the whole report for analysis and for printing the bill. And to perform mathematical calculation, what you have to do? You must know formula. Say for example in maths, but in computer you must have to write formulas or a function. Say for example, you want to calculate cell address B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Then simply you just keep the sign. If you want to do addition, then plus sign. And remember, equal to sign before the cell address start writing. तो जो भी सेल बॉक्स में आप ये फॉर्मूला लिखोगे उसमें कैलकुलेशन आ जाएगा. Why? Because you have written over there कि B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, 6 में जो भी आपने डेटा लिखा है उसका एडिशन चाहिए फॉर्मूला. और फंक्शन भी है ऑलरेडी इनबिल्ट अवेलेबल इन एक्सेल, SUM sum, round bracket start, round bracket over, between I have given the range B1 double dot B6. So like that way it will also work. And you must remember equal to sign is needed before the formula or function, otherwise it will not consider as formula or function. ये कहाँ पे लिखना है? सेल जो हमने बात की थी, सेल बॉक्स, उसमें आप कहीं पे भी रखोगे वहां पे कैलकुलेशन आ जाएगा. और सेल एड्रेस कौन सा देना है? जहां पे आपने रिकॉर्ड एंटर किया हो. So like that way. Equal to sum, I want to calculate B3 यानी कि 30, C3 यानी कि 25, D3 40, E3 20. So it will calculate for me calculation. So like that way you have to try. So for every formula that will be the same, but cell address will be changed. For average, equal to sign average, and then what will be the cell address? B3, C3, D3, E3. So I have given the range. So it will select and it will show me how it will perform. And last, I will get the answer. And at the last, after completing all the things, either you want soft copy of it, then save it, or if you want hard copy, then you must have to print it out. So you can print it out as you specify the range, number of copies you want, then type how many copies you want and then press OK. Any questions? Then you can call me. Remember students, this is the basic thing. Then after you must have to learn so many things about Excel. But at least this basic things if you know, then and only then you can able to move further. Thank you students.